Hello and good day to all of you. My name is Blair and another Science School is coming right up. Oh, nah, just kidding. It's not coming right up because we're gonna take a look into this Ubuntu 22.10, which is launched last October 22. So that's gonna be our Linux OS taking a look into this Ubuntu new features on this episode of Science is Cool. So let's take a look into our Ubuntu Linux OS. But before that, I think we need to go to the official website so you have some idea on what's installed on this Ubuntu 22.10, which is last 22nd of October. So this Kinetic Kudo was launched last October 22, 2002, and it's available on the website at ubuntu.com/download. So don't go to any website but in the official website, okay? Because there's some sketchy bad artist and trying to manipulate this survey, and they were like very sketchy. So the code name is the Kinetic Kudo. And in terms of experience that we have new tools to our workflows, support microcontrollers, embedded display for Raspberry, upgrade enterprise management toolings, in of course improvement the desktop usability and performance, and so on. So if you want to take a look into this one, just go to the official website. It's www. or just type ubuntu.com and search for on the search bar right here, and search for Ubuntu 22.10. Actually, I was planning to make this video last 22 of October, but unfortunately we have so many things because we are now in our regular and normal life right here in Thailand, so we don't limit ourselves anymore. So that's why I wanted to do something a little bit, but well, it is a little bit like late for a month because it is already the 20th. I'm recording this in the 20th of November instead of the 22nd of October. So that's the information that we have on Ubuntu's official website, and of course the OMG ubuntu.co.uk. Of course, they also have released this information about the Kinetic Kudo, everything you need to know. So these are the new features. They have the website also, of course. They also inform us with their graphical interface. There's a lot of new quick settings in GNOME or Genome 43, and it started with the Kinetic Kudo, the Ubuntu 22.10 release. And this is not actually a long-term support, but this is a short term. So this support is just only last for how many months, and then you have to make your own adjustments and tinkering on it. But if you have the LTS, the long-term support, well, you have 5 years of support from the Ubuntu. And based on this, we also have the newer system settings. You can move Yes, just like that one. So we have to take a look into that one later in our boxes, the genome boxes, the virtual box, so that we will have the experience and see those experience in a real time. And of course, new desktop settings at the same time. There's a lot going on right here. The display panel, we also have the docking gain, which is kind of cool. You can shift from one application to another application. This merging proposal, yeah, cool. Null list, the web browser, the file manager, not a list, has a something like friendly touch on it. Yeah, cool. Let me see. And of course, you can just drag with your holding by your right key on your mouse, and then you also have the auto save, which is cool. Pipewire is now the default. Wow, okay. And the WebP image support is also upgraded, and now the native photo viewer, yeah, there you have it. And we also have WebP supports also the LibreOffice. So the kernel shifted from this Kinetic Kudo, the Ubuntu 22.10, is in kernel 5.19. That's and this until okay. So it will be freezes. Okay. So we will try to know about that more in a while, because it's already the 20th of November. So, but this will be viewed maybe. Let me see. When will I show this in public? Okay, let me try to. And we have Firefox 105 is now the latest and shifted from the Snapd version. And the Kinetic comes equipped with the latest Thunderbird 102 release. Wow, this is awesome. LibreOffice 7.4 also comes out of the box. Let me see. You can download that, yeah, by clicking this one. It will just go to the website. And yeah, that's about the information that we have from the OMG Ubuntu and the Ubuntu.com. So let's try to see now on our box. So where is Ubuntu 20? Okay, so let's try to open this one. Click enter, install. So let's try to click this one and load. So okay, we are now into our Ubuntu 22.10. Well, there you have it. This is the desktop you will be greeted with, and of course we have a lot to discover this one. So I'm just running this in a try mode, so I still have allotted like 25 gigabytes. So let's try to install this one so that we will not use a lot of ROM. Just put it in to the VirtualBox. This is the English version. Let's install. Yeah, I'm good with that. Minimal, normal. This is VirtualBox, so no problem with it. Erase everything. Let's go for that one. So we greeted with this one from the initial installation from the setup, which is, let's go through over this one so that we will try to know this account can be added and removed at any time from the settings application. So let's close that one and let's head to the new feature. Wow, so there you have it. There we have some new feature right here on the others. And make it the quick launch, and the quick launch settings. We could open this here, the quick launch settings. Well, let me see, let's try to change the language and the region, because we are seeing things that we shouldn't be, like in Thai, because I could not. So let's log out and restart everything so that we will try to know which is the correct one. So I re-entered and correct that one, and there you have it. There we have a new one already. So next, so let's try to help, and so you can send your system information in it to the developers, which is the Canon calls. So it's just you know, I wanted to help. Yes, it's just let's continue. Location privacy, nope, I wouldn't want it to that one, except if I'm on field and I want to know my location services. So you are ready to go. So we have the codes for the developers, which is programming. We have the Zoom clients, Spotify, which is not a open source, but it is a proprietary, but it's okay, because if you want to listen to your music and pay the artist, so that's legit for me, so that's okay with it. So Sax, and of course we also have the Python for the developers, and also the Android Studio. Okay, let's just minimize that one just a little bit. So the Android Studio is also right here, because Android is Linux actually. That's why if you are using Android, that's Linux. And the Microsoft Teams previews right here, they already included it. Krita, open source program, Plex Media Server, VLC player. Of course, I'm using the OBS right now with my bro, so that I could like video the VirtualBox wall and the desktop itself. The genome or GIMP, the genome image manipulator or program, the Git Kraken, and Discord, and blah 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 blah. So there you have it. Let's go and open everything. And yeah, the quick launch, let's talk about this quick launch, because I just noticed this one, the camera thing is actually the screenshot let's try to screenshot. So there you have it. You could screenshot one portion if you want to, just selection. How about the whole screen? Only the screen or the windows, that is the update. And of course you also have the balance power, the locked, I think this is log out, log in, log out thing. And I like this one because they have put the dark mode right here on the quick settings. So whoa, that's cool. I didn't expect that one to be very fast. I was thinking about, like, there is a selection first so that you will have the, but it is a button already. It's a quick launch. Wow. So let me see. We have the Firefox, the Thunderbird email client. Okay, so those of you who doesn't know what is the client base and the web base email application, so let me explain to you. If you are using the Thunderbird, this is the client base email application. So you have to enter your preference, login, website, location of the web, and so on and so forth. So this is the application inside you, and you have to install it some of your Windows and Macintosh OS, but here in Linux you don't have to install it because it's already comes out of the box already. So how about the LibreList? The LibreList file manager is also here, the LibreOffice application or the App Store. We also have the utilities, the question, blah 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 blah, and of course we also have this, the what you call this, the there it is, the software update. So let's try to software about like 39, make it 40 megabytes, minus 40 megabytes. So let's try to install everything so we could know which one is which. We have to update this very fast. Actually, this is just only an update. So we have to restart this computer because we have to update, because I think there's some major updates going on. So we have to restart the Ubuntu 22.2 or make it 22.10. So let's open this. What's the update is all about? So we have the system monitor, the settings, the terminal, and the utilities. Of course the cheese. I could not use the cheese right now because I'm using the camera right now, so you cannot play with this right now because I'm using it. So maybe later I was just gonna take you know. So there you have. This is the come out of the box. We have the solitaire. Let's play solitaire. Solitaire. Do you want to play? Okay. All right. And maybe I'm gonna be hooked with this one because it's so tempting. So tempting to play this one. Okay. Never mind. I just don't want to interrupt this one. So anyway, we have also the it's still uploading, downloading. Okay, we have also the mahjong, Easy. Okay, easy, huh? Let's play Mahjong. Dun, 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 dun. Let's play. So this is very easy games that we have come out of the box right here on our virtual box, which is I'm playing right now, and I am just literally like, okay, just playing, just looking onto this application. We also have the terminal, so as you can see we have this terminal. It is not moving, like shaking like the big Linux or the wobbly thing with the, let me see, the KDE. So let's try to see if the Neo Fetch is, no, it's not. So let's try to install this one, apt install, install Neo Fetch, and of course the password, don't forget the password, and proceed anyways. We need to say okay, let's continue. Okay, let's clear this one and then type in Neo Fetch. So Neo Fetch, you can look into this one. So the bash is 5.2.2, and we have the kernel is 5.19 kernel, and this is Ubuntu 22.10 with the desktop environment of GNOME 43. So there you have it. This is cool. This is cool. Okay, let's clear, exit. I still have to look into this. We also have some power statistics. Yeah, the power statistics is unknown because I'm into the virtual box right now, so I cannot do anything about it. We have the Sudoku, and of course if you want to create a bootable disk, you have to use the startup disk creator, just like Lavalier. Yeah, it is also free and it's come out of the box. So I sometimes prefer the native comes out of the box bootable disk creators compared to sometimes yeah, I also use Lavalier at the same time. The text editor, which is the basic programming thing. If you are into basic programming thing, this is also, you can text like you know, some stuff, and I don't want to save it. So let's check out the software, the App Store, the Ubuntu App Store, the Ubuntu Software Application Store. Let's open this one and wait for the catalog to be downloaded, because this is the first time that I open this one, so it's gotta be updating everything, because this was way back in the 22nd of October, so they have to update, because every day, every hour there is an update, new packages of application, new software can be downloaded. So that is why, ooh, I think I like the setup of this. It is much clearer and is much beautiful compared to the previous 20.10 or 20.4. Yeah, 22.4, and this one is a little bit good. We have here the email client, the application, the Mozilla Firefox, I mean Mozilla Thunderbird client-based application. You also have the Muse score. Okay, kind of cool. You can create a play and print beautiful sheets of music right here. PowerShell at the same time right here. KDN Live. KDen Live, the video editor that I'm using also. So the RSS Atom feed reader is also here. You can download that one, and of course I'm using the OBS Studio right now for my editing, for my video capture for this desktop environment. VLC at the same time is also here, and I want to look into this one. So let's wait for a little bit because it is downloading everything. The catalog and everything will be in place in several seconds, several minutes from now, because it is the first time that I opened this one. So I'm just waiting for the internet to come in place, getting all the information from the server. So let's wait a little bit because I know it will be like, okay, there it is. So we also have some wine applications right here. So we have the any effects, the precursor editor in with a lot of. This is actually wine. Okay, this is wine, which is the Windows environment. That's why we call it wine. Windows environment. Blender at the same time. Oh yeah, Blender. Let me see what kind of movie that we. Yeah, we have the Titanic and the what is that movie? Or the Airbender? No, it's not Airbender, but it is close. Okay, we have the Avatar. No, Airbender is Avatar. I think there's another movie which is using the Blender as their 3D creation. Oh, and at the same time, Toy Story also uses Blender from time to time, even though they have the Apple Macintosh 3D creator software, but sometimes they also use Blender. Let me see. We also have the Chimp Stroker, the free focus tracking software. We also have here the. Where is that? I'm looking for my. I think this is not here because it is a open source. It is not an open source. So how about music and studio? Not yet populated. Let me see. How about productivity? I think that's productivity is. I think video. No, I think this is in the photo and video, which is populating right now. So let's a little bit be patient on this internet, because I know the internet is a little bit like slow right now because this is the afternoon and everybody is going to their business, going to their snooping around. Snooping around. Yeah, I like it. Sometimes I was just like snooping around with other people too, so it's just human nature. So it's already loaded. Let me see if we could see some of my favorite things aside from KDN Live, of course. OBS, of course. That's one of my favorite personal favorites. How about we have the Open Tunes, the 2D animation. If you want to be a so-called a cartoonist, or shortcuts is also here. Simple screen recorder, yay! It's not come out of the box. Oh well. VLC is here. I think I have to go to the official website to download that one. I'm looking for the Photo P to be exact. Let me see if I could like try to look into this photopea. No, there's none. Okay, so Libre Photo, an offline port of photopea for Linux. Let me see what is the style on this one, as they are opening it right now. Oh, so it is a little bit like photopea already. Cool. How about the weather? No, it's not populated right now. How about the games? I think the games is also trying to populate. Come on. How about the devices? Science. Oh, not yet. Socials. No, they're not populated. Of course, we have the Audacity, which is the audio software, multi-track recording and editing. Postman, the developer's development environment. So let me see if we have another update. Let's update. I want to see if what kind of update we have right here. Comes from out of the box from the 22.10, but of course it's gonna be taking too long. How about this one? Oh yeah, the Nalaris. Let's just close that one. The recycle bin. There's not much right here going on. So yeah, you can shift from one end to another. Let's try to see. Oh, there you have it. We have something. This is something brand new with this 2210. I don't know if they could like put the tiling thing, but I think they have to install that one. So cool. How about another? There's something new right here in our system, so kind of cool. Brand new thing in our Ubuntu. Let's minimize resources. I want to see. Yeah, I only gave like 8 gigabytes of memory plus 2 gig of swap memory, or the temporary memory on the hard disk too. My CPU is working because I'm still downloading some stuff right here. Yeah, that's the last one. So it's pretty sure it's coming up strong because it is still downloading, especially this one, the Spike. It downloaded and then installing, so we have a lot of spikes, but right now it's a little bit like stable, and then suddenly it's ramping up because of the installation. Yeah, they're still installing. No more? Yeah, no more. Alright, so there you have it. My first look into this Ubuntu 22.10. Something new, something different, something interesting to look into this version of Ubuntu. So let's try to see how can we navigate. Yeah, how about this one, because I haven't let you see this one. So the virtualization is KVM Wayland, the windowing system, version 4.3, the Ubuntu 22.10. I only gave like 25 gigabytes of hard disk, virtual hard disk, the processor, and also the memory that I have, the RAM, the random access memory, which is only 8 gigabytes, which is like pretty sure okay. Time and date, of course, I'm here in Thailand. You can also change which is which, what kind of, if you have so many options right here, you can download and change, like this one, the photo imager. You can view it from the image, or the image magic, or the image viewer, or the shotwell viewer, and blah 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 thing. User, of course, I'm the only one right here, haha. And this is the virtual box. So let me see if I have to click this one. Oh my gosh, okay, that's big. How about the contrast? No, I know what's going on. So enable the animation. The cursor size is okay, that's small, that's okay. Zoom, now I'm just okay with it. Screen, let me see if I could. How about the screen? Yeah. All right. Desktop. Click. Desktop. Yay. So the settings of the icon size. 48 is the default, but I like it around like 32. Yeah, 32 will be okay. Display, how about the position? That's right in the bottom. Haha. How about on the right side? Yeah. How about going back to the left side? Kinda cool, right? How about the clock? The dock. Where's the clock? Yeah, I'm talking about the clock. I was okay. Oh yeah, right here. The desktop background. You have different desktop background. Oh, cool. How about this one? Nature. Wow. How about that one? Cool. And of course the drawing. But I like the nature thing. Nature. Do you like nature? Me too. I like nature. Okay, the display is, ooh, I have the resolution of like not the. Nah, I'll just keep it inverted right now because I'm in the virtual box. Yeah, the clock. Yeah, I'm here in Thailand, but you can set it on your, like, if you want to advance or a little bit late, depends, but I like it the automatic way because it is just convenient, and at the same time I don't really bothered as long as my clock is correct. Location, you can set your location off and on if you want to. Appearance already okay, the desktop is already okay. A notification, yeah, I'm just gonna, don't disturb me. So I think that's about it for our Linux first look into our Ubuntu 22.10. My name is Blair. Thank you for hanging out with me for a couple of minutes of your time to take a look into our Ubuntu 22.10, which is launches just a month ago, which is on the 22nd of October. That's why 22.10. So anyway, that's it for now for my Science is Cool, taking a look into the new feature of 22.10 Ubuntu Linux OS. My name is Blair, saying ciao for now and leaving you this word: being nice is better than being strong.